We moved here from a house that had a fairly large sunroom, so we'd obviously got used to having the facility and we decided we'd look to have one here. Clearly the bungalow we've moved into has been refurbished and it's got grey plastic windows, and we wanted somebody who would offer something that would be in keeping with the building. We try and shop locally as far as we can, and they're a local firm with a good reputation. So we made contact with the salespeople. I'd measured up, given them an idea of what size we could accommodate, and they gave me quite a good 3D image of what we could have. If I'm honest, we didn't deal with them that much because everything was so straightforward. They confirmed all the details of the conservatory itself, and they put me in touch with one of their recommended installers who knew what they were doing. He came and did a site visit, and he made sure that the design was the right one and would fit and would be buildable. It's a simple process, and they were only here a few days, no mess, and kept us in the loop. We've had building work done in the past and we realised how disruptive it can be. One of the things that appealed was the fact that the conserva base that they use is solid and sound, gives a nice flat floor, but isn't difficult or messy to erect. We were very happy with what we got. Finish and details what we hoped we would get, and we were very happy with it. It's bright, it's airy, it's, cosy would be an apt word. Yeah, very happy.